So you're gearing up for a DIY flooring project with luxury vinyl planks. I'm sharing the 5 most common mistakes people make when installing these floors, and more importantly, what to do instead. Mistake number 1. Skipping subfloor preparation. Your subfloor is the foundation of your entire project. If it's uneven, dirty, or damaged, your flooring will have gaps, creaks, or wear out unevenly over time. Even minor imperfections can cause big problems. Here's what to do. Start by sweeping or vacuuming the subfloor to remove all dust and debris. Then check for uneven areas using a straight edge or level. If you find dips or high spots, use a leveling compound to smooth them out. Taking this extra step ensures your flooring lays flat and lasts longer. Number 2. Not acclimating your flooring. This is a step many DIYers skip, but it's critical. Flooring materials expand and contract based on the temperature and humidity in your home. If you install them straight out of the box, you might end up with buckling, gaps, or misaligned planks. The solution? Leave the unopened flooring boxes in the room where they'll be installed for 48 to 72 hours. Make sure the room is at a consistent temperature between 65 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit and moderate humidity. This lets the planks adjust to the environment before installation. Mistake number 3, taking inaccurate measurements. Flooring projects require precision. If your measurements are off, you'll end up with planks that don't fit, wasted material, and a lot of frustration. Here's what to do instead. Use a good quality tape measure and double-check every measurement before cutting. Make sure to account for obstacles like door frames or vents. When cutting, take your time to ensure the edges are clean and straight. For irregular shapes, trace the area onto a plank, using a scrap piece of cardboard as a template. Mistake number 4. Forgetting to leave expansion gaps. Both LVP and laminate expand and contract slightly with changes in temperature and humidity. If you don't leave enough room, your floor could buckle or warp over time. The fix is simple. Leave a 1/4-inch gap between the edges of your flooring and the walls. You can use spacers to maintain a consistent gap as you install each plank. This gap will be hidden later by baseboards or trim, so don't worry about it being visible. Finally, mistake number 5, not locking the planks together correctly. LVP and laminate flooring use a tongue and groove or click lock system that needs to fit tightly. If the planks aren't properly secured, you'll end up with visible gaps, and the floor might separate over time. To avoid this, make sure each plank clicks fully into place. You'll often hear a satisfying click when it's done right. Use a tapping block and mallet to gently tap the planks together, ensuring a snug fit. Just be careful not to hit too hard, as you could damage the edges. And that's it. With just a little extra effort, you'll end up with a beautiful, durable floor that looks professionally installed. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY tips, and let me know in the comments which mistake you've learned to avoid. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.